Hello guys, yan ang aking plate for today. Brown rice and dilis. Yung small yan guys. Tapos ito yung scrambled egg. Yung medyo basa yung pagkaluto. Yan. Mag brown rice ako guys kasi walang stock yung red rice ko eh, naubusan daw. So pansamantala mag brown rice muna ako no, kapag wala yung red rice. Actually maganda talaga yung red rice guys. So kapag meron ulit yung stock guys, yun lang bibilhin ko. So pansamantala lang tong brown rice. So let's eat my healthy diet. So kapag guys, ganyan lang yung gagawin nyo, yung para healthy yung pagkapayat nyo guys. Ganyan lang. Thank you for watching.